Hello guys, in today's video I'll be showing you a rise and fall strategy. Okay, this is a strategy that I've been testing out and testing out that strategy in different scenarios. All right, so today I'll be using my demo account so that I can illustrate this strategy so that I can simulate multiple accounts and multiple stakes. Okay, now if you're a derivative trader and you want to trade rise and fall, one thing first I can at least advise you is at least ensure you have enough capital. Okay, having enough capital will save you from a lot of trouble, and this strategy that I will show you today basically is also assisted by the capital you have. Okay, now this strategy is a bit risky, so please be very careful when you're using it, and please test it out in demo first to at least get a better understanding about it. Okay, now I think I already made another video about it. It's called a risky reversal rise and fall strategy. Okay, now the first thing with this strategy, you have to identify whether the market is going up or down. Okay, now I made a video about this. I'll put it in the description so that at least you can go and see how to identify if the market is going up and down. Now once you identify the direction of the market, now it is time for you to trade. Okay, but you're not just doing it the normal way and the way that most people have been doing it, and you'll be able to see. Okay, now, so as you first of all, you're supposed to find a market with a strong trend. Okay, yeah, if it is a downtrend, at least ensure that market has a clear downtrend or a clear uptrend. Okay, at least be sure about that. After that, now this is where we do our thing. Okay, now as I've said, I'm using my demo account so that I'm able to illustrate to you using various stakes. Okay, now, all right. Now, assume you have found out that this market is going up or going down. Okay. Now, as you can see, this market seems like it is going up, but if I zoom like this, okay, yeah, this market seems to have a downtrend, right? But please, as I've said, ensure you do extensive research about it. Okay, so what you can do is this. Now, example, if I'm aware that this market might go down, I can put a fall there, right? But look at what I will do. Okay, so as you can see right now, you're in losses. Okay, we're in losses right now, but I want you to see something. So as you can see now, you're in +2. All right, you're in +2 or -10. Okay, give the market some time. As you can see, I've put 3 minutes. First, but there for this strategy, ensure you use minutes. Okay, don't use ticks, use minutes. Now, what I'll do, let me show you. Okay, let me show you. Close. Okay. You cannot close because it has moved there, but I will show you again. Let me show you. So this is an in and out strategy. You get in and get out as fast as you can, just like that. So basically, this is what you do. Anytime the market goes to your side, you do not wait for the time to expire. Anytime it dips to your side, you close immediately. Anytime it dips to your side, you close immediately. First, but I've said you have to ensure you have identified whether the market is going up or down, and I'll put a video about it in the description. Now, once you identify, you do not go the conventional way of just pressing fall and staying there, because sometimes these derivative markets usually reverse in the derivative. You might be like you might have 1 minute remaining and you think that this is a win, and then all of a sudden a long candlestick is formed and you undergo a loss. So what we do in this strategy is basically we take advantage of every opportunity. So if, let's say, I've pressed fall, okay, anytime that market will go towards my side, I close. Okay, and if I see it is still a fall trade, I press another fall, and if the market once again goes to my side, I close. Okay, now let me try it again. Yeah, so anytime you see the market, basically the market is going to your side, you close. Anytime you see it is going to your side, once again you close. Okay, let me show you. So far we have already made 10, literally in seconds. Okay, in seconds, as you can see. But again, the stake is the one that is helping us. Again, the larger the stake you have, the better it is for you. But as I've said, you have to do your own analysis first. Okay, I've not analyzed properly this market. I'm just using it for illustration so that at least you can be able to see how we go about this strategy. Okay, now if you're not careful, you might undergo such a loss, as you can see on my screen. Yeah, if you just go and start pressing rise and fall without doing your proper analysis, you might end up losing everything. Okay, yeah, so this is quite a risky strategy, but if you do it properly and if you practice it a lot, it can actually give you good profits. Actually, this is one of the strategies that has helped me grow my accounts. It's a really nice one. Okay, but you have to identify the direction of the market first. After that, now it is time for you to take advantage of it. Okay, anytime the market goes to your side, close. Okay, if you see you have made a nice profit, you do not have to stay until the time expires. No, you just leave immediately. Okay, yeah, so the larger the capital you have, the better it is for you. Okay, let's see if the market will come to our side. If it does not, we'll just try another one. Okay, we'll just try another one. The main purpose of this is to at least show you how we do it. Okay, yeah, now example like here. Now as you can see, now it is going to our side. I close. Okay, but I've closed too early. But yeah, I've closed. Yeah, actually I've made plus 4.45. Okay, As you can see, in a minute, okay? So you take advantage of each of, anytime the market jumps to your side, you close, okay? Yeah, so this is for people who have big accounts. Now, even if you have a small account like 10 USD, let me assume you have 10 USD, okay? Let's assume somebody has 10 USD. If you have 10 USD and basically you're trading rise and fall, again, let's say you have pressed fall there, okay? You can also take advantage of this. So basically, you just wait for the market to come a bit to your side and close. And you make your profit. Like as you can see, they have made plus 0.67 in seconds, okay? Yeah, but as I've said, you need at least a good capital, and so that at least you can be able to use a good stake, okay? Yeah, because if you have something like $1, if you have something like $1, it can be a bit hard for you to take advantage of this. If you have at least $1, yes, you can be able to make a profit from this, but it will not be that high. But yes, you can, okay? Yes, you can, but please be careful, okay? Please ensure you practice a lot in your demo to get a very good understanding. But I'm telling you, the larger the capital you have, the better it is for you, okay? Yeah, so let's see with the dollar if you can be able to make a profit. Let me see. So you can see the dollar, you're able to make a profit, but it's not that high, okay? 0.12 is not bad, but it's not high, okay? Now let us assume somebody has 1,000 USD, okay? Let us assume somebody has 1,000. So as you can see, all our trades are wins, and you have not even done proper analysis, and all of them are wins, okay? Now imagine if you do proper analysis of the market, guy, you'll be in a good place, okay? So assume you have 1,000, and basically you've identified the market is a fall. 1,000, all right? Yeah, assume you have let's say your account is at least 20,000 USD, 10,000, or even higher, okay? Let's see if you'll be able to make something from this. Let's see. So currently you are in loss. And I've told you guys, if you just come into this strategy without proper analysis, things can be bad, okay? Yeah, I've just researched this market shallowly. I've not properly researched it. So yeah, sell. Just look at that, 79 USD, just like that, okay? With no stress. So guys, you do not have to place a trade and sit there the entire time shaking and being afraid that the market might reverse. No. Once you see the market is on your side and you have a high chance of making a good profit, you close. Basically, when the market comes to your side and you see you have at least gotten a good profit, close, okay? Yeah, so as you can see today, I've already gotten 79 USD plus the 4 USD plus the other 10 USD, literally just from making this video. And I've not even done proper analysis. I've just done a shallow analysis just to make this video, okay? Yeah, so the guys, this is a very good strategy. You do not have, by the way, in the Deriv, guys, I would advise you not to stay the entire time, especially if you're trading based on minutes or hours. Do not stay until the end, because this market usually reverse. I told you guys, volatilities are extremely volatile. That is why they are called volatilities. They change too quickly. So if you decide to sit there until the time ends, the market might reverse on you on the last second, okay? So that is where we have to figure out ways in which to take advantage of each and every opportunity, okay? Yeah, so basically if you come and you analyze and see that the market has an uptrend or has a downtrend, you just have to come here and flow with the river, flow with the candlesticks. Don't fight them, flow with them, okay? If they go up with them, make your profits. If it goes down, go down with it, make your profits, okay? Flow with it, do not go against it, okay? Yeah, flow with it, and yeah, it will be a good way to at least earn something extra. Yeah, basically these are one of the strategies that I usually like, because it at least helps you to earn some profits without all that mental pressure and that anxiety, okay? Yeah, because I know for those who trade rise and fall, and for those who trade call and put, especially on the Deriv interface, yeah, not on MT5, on the Deriv interface, sometimes the emotions are usually so high because you have 1 minute remaining and you have used a stake of 100, and then in the last minute, the market just does a reversal, pop, and you lose everything, okay? Yeah, so guys, you have to become careful. Yeah, just flow with the market. Do not fight the market. As you can see, like here, the market is going up, okay? You go with it up, all right? If the market goes down, you just press a fall trade, close your trade as it is going down. If it goes up, place a rise trade, make your profit as it is going up, and just like that, okay? Again, when it comes to rise and fall, you cannot use history. You know, in Forex, you can use the charts of yesterday, or the charts, basically charts, you can use trading charts for a month ago to predict what might happen a month from now, okay? But in binary, it is a bit different, okay? In binary, every day is a unique day. Every day, the charts might be different from the last day. So you have to know how to maneuver around this, okay? Yeah, so basically, flow, like here, as you can see, the market is going down. Example here, you place a fall. Basically, as I've told you, you flow with the market. You do not go against it, you flow. But again, please remember to do your proper analysis. Don't just trade for the sake of trading, okay? I am doing this because it's for a video, but you have to be really careful. Do your proper analysis, okay? yeah, you have to do proper analysis to identify if the market truly is going up or it is going down. Okay, yeah, because if you end up doing the wrong thing, if you end up doing the wrong analysis, yeah, you can end up losing. Actually, I'm not saying that this strategy is but this strategy that does not have a, okay, let me close just like that. Let me show you. Close, 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 close. No, close again. You keep on pressing sell until it closes. Boom. As you can see, 102, just because I have flowed with the market. If it goes down, you go down with it, make your profits. When it goes up, you go up with it, make your profits as the market is going up, and so on and so forth. Okay, yeah, and this at least will make trade. But then guys, the binary works, deriv works, but you have to take it extremely seriously. Okay, you have to take it seriously. You have to know when to stop. You have to know when to place a trade. Do not hesitate. Do not hesitate to open a trade. Do not hesitate to close a trade. Be fast. Know how to do proper timing. Okay, if you have any question about this, if you have any query, and if you want to something explained better to you, please ensure you comment down in the comment section. And yeah, if you have any personal query about the bots, documents, classes, whatever, my WhatsApp number is in the description. Okay, but basically guys, this is how we do it. And yeah, again, you can see, okay, yeah, just flow with them. Do not fight it, flow with it. Now you can see in literally a period of 10 minutes, you might you can be able to achieve your target profit without stress, literally without stress. Okay, yeah, so instead of, okay, so guys, instead of placing one trade and waiting for it for 5 minutes, why not place many trades in those 5 minutes, make your profits without stress? Because if you do not have stress and if you do not have anxiety, your brain is able to operate at its maximum efficiency. Okay, yeah, so guys, please ensure you check on that. Again, if you have any question, please let me know down in the comment section. And as I've said, caution and disclaimer, be careful. As I told you guys, in binary, 99% of traders lose their money. You have to become careful. Practice this in your demo account. Practice a lot. If you see at least getting how it works, now you can proceed to your reel. Okay, as I've said again, I'll put the link in the description about how to proceed with this, so that at least you're able to get a better understanding about it. Also, the link I'll put in the description is the rise and fall strategy, basically how to identify if the market is going up or down. And then based on that, now you can come in now and combine with this, yeah, and make your profits. Okay, others guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Please use this strategy wisely, be careful with it, and yeah, it will be a good way. Okay, yeah, so guys, again, I'll be making a video about you guys about the new Deriv interface. My Deriv account has not been migrated to the new interface yet, but once it is done, so I'll be able to make a video for you guys, so as to enable you to know how to navigate the new interface. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Keep on trading, keep on pushing, and let us meet in the next one. Cheers.